你好，我是 Becky. Hello, I am Becky. Welcome to Big Fun Vocab, the fun way to expand your Chinese vocabulary. Today, we will still talk about family members, such as grandpa and grandma. In Chinese, we have different titles for grandparents from your mother's side and your father's side. 姥爷 means grandpa from your mother's side. 老 third tone, 爷 neutral tone. 姥爷 Can you help me book the ticket for the Yankees game? 行 Sure. But I never knew you liked baseball. It's not for me, it's for my grandpa. 我姥爷很喜欢棒球. My grandpa likes baseball a lot. 姥姥 means grandma from your mother's side. 老 third tone, but the second 老 will be pronounced as neutral tone. 姥姥 Bella, we are having a barbecue tonight. 你来吗? Will you come? 不好意思 Sorry, I'm not going. 今天是我姥姥的生日. Today is my grandma's birthday. 爷爷 means grandpa from your father's side. 爷 second tone, but the second 爷 will be pronounced as a neutral tone. 爷爷 I never knew that you can play basketball so well. Who taught you how? 我爷爷 My grandpa. He was a professional basketball player when he was young. 奶奶 means grandma from your father's side. 奶 third tone, but the second 奶 will be pronounced as a neutral tone. 奶奶 Becky, what happened? I broke grandma's crystal vase. What should I do? You are dead meat. 奶奶很喜欢那个花瓶. Grandma loves that vase. Okay, now it's your turn. Upload your recording and tell me how you would introduce your grandparents from your mother's side and your father's side. Leave me a message and don't forget to let me know what topic you want to learn. See you next time. 再见。The cookies taste great. Who made them? 我奶奶. Who made the cookies? Grandma from mother's side. Grandma from father's side. Grandpa from father's side. Please choose the best answer. 这是你爷爷吗？不是，那是我姥爷。Who is in the photo? Grandpa from her mother's side. Grandpa from her father's side. Grandma from her father's side. Please choose the best answer. Dad and I are going to watch a football game tomorrow. 爷爷，你去吗？好 Ellie. Who is going to watch the football game? Only Ellie and her dad. Ellie's grandpa, grandma, dad, and Ellie herself. Ellie's grandpa, dad, and Ellie herself. Please choose the best answer. Anna, will you go shopping with me after work? 好的 Ellie. But why go shopping on a Monday? 明天是我奶奶的生日. I want to buy her a gift. Which of the following statements is true according to the dialogue? Ellie wants to buy a gift for her grandma on her mother's side. Ellie wants to buy a gift for her grandma on her father's side. Ellie wants to buy a gift for her grandpa on her father's side.
Please choose the best answer. Why did you buy 3 tickets, Ellie? Did you invite another friend? 我姥爷很喜欢足球. He wants to go with us. Who is going with Ellie and her friend? Ellie 的姥爷 Ellie 的爷爷 Ellie 的爸爸 Please choose the best answer.